ഹായ് ഹലോ വെൽക്കം ബാക്ക് ടു ആഷ്നാസ് ഫിസിക്സ് ക്ലാസ്. ഫാൻ ഇട്ടിട്ടുണ്ട്, മോൻ ഉറങ്ങാണ്. അതുകൊണ്ട് എനിക്ക് ഫാൻ ഓഫ് ചെയ്തിട്ട് നിങ്ങൾ ക്ലാസ് പറഞ്ഞു തരാൻ പറ്റില്ല. അതുകൊണ്ട് കുറച്ച് ബുദ്ധിമുട്ടുണ്ടാവും, ക്ഷമിക്കുക. നിങ്ങളുടെ SSLC ഇംഗ്ലീഷ് മീഡിയത്തിന്റെ സോഷ്യൽ സയൻസിൽ ഫോക്കസ് ഏരിയ ബേസ് ചെയ്തിട്ടുള്ള ചാപ്റ്ററിൽ നിന്ന് വരുന്ന 1 മാർക്ക് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ആണ് നമ്മളിവിടെ ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യാൻ പോകുന്നത്. അപ്പം ഞാൻ ജസ്റ്റ് പ്രിപ്പയർ ചെയ്തതാണ് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് വേണ്ടിയിട്ട്. അപ്പം നിങ്ങളൊന്ന് കുറച്ച് വോളിയം കൂട്ടിയിട്ട് കേട്ട് നോക്കൂ കേട്ടോ. കുറച്ച് ബാക്ക്ഗ്രൗണ്ട് നോയ്സ് ഉണ്ട്, ഫാനിന്റെ സൗണ്ട് ആണ്, ക്ഷമിക്കുക കേട്ടോ. ഫസ്റ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ, റിവല്യൂഷൻ ദാറ്റ് ഇൻഫ്ലുവൻസ് ദ വേൾഡ് എന്നുള്ള ചാപ്റ്ററിൽ നിന്നാണ്. ഒന്നാമത്തെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്, വിച്ച് വാസ് ദി സ്ലോഗൻ ദാറ്റ് തണ്ടേർഡ് അലോങ് ഡിഫറെന്റ് പാർട്സ് ഓഫ് നോർത്ത് അമേരിക്ക? നോ ടാക്സേഷൻ വിത്തൗട്ട് റെപ്രസെന്റേഷൻ. ഓക്കെ, ഹൂ ഫ്രെയിംഡ് ദ സ്ലോഗൻ നോ ടാക്സേഷൻ വിത്തൗട്ട് റെപ്രസെന്റേഷൻ? ജെയിംസ് ഓട്ടിസ്. Which was the trade policy implemented by the British merchants in the American colonies? Mercantilism. Everyone have some fundamental rights. No government have the right to suspend them. Whose statement was this? John Locke. There is something absurd in supposing a continent, North America, be perpetually governed by a foreign power, England. Whose statement was this? Thomas Paine. In which year the first Continental Congress held? 1774. Okay. First Continental Congress held at Philadelphia. In which year the second Continental Congress held? 1775. Second Continental Congress held at Philadelphia. Okay. Who wrote the pamphlet Common Sense? Thomas Paine ആണ് ഇത് എഴുതിയത് കേട്ടോ. In which year the American Continental Congress issued the famous Declaration of Independence? 1776. According to treaty, England recognized the freedom of 13 American colonies. Name the treaty. Treaty of Paris. 1783 ഈ ഒരു Treaty of Paris നിലവിൽ വന്നത്. Who was the leader for the preparation of American Constitution? James Madison. Who was the first president of United States of America? George Washington. In which year the French Revolution started? 1789. I am the state. God has given absolute power to the king over his subjects, and only God has the authority to question him. Whose statement is this? Louis XVI. After me, the deluge. Whose statement is it? Louis XV. Okay. If they can eat bread, let them eat cake. Whose statement is it? Mary Antoinette. Name the tax collected by the clergy from the peasants in France. Tite. Name the tax collected by the government from the peasants in France. Thaile. Who were the thinkers that influenced the French Revolution? Voltaire, Rousseau, and Montesquieu. Okay. Name the Legislative Assembly of France during the period of Bourbon kings. The States General. Okay. When France sneezes, the rest of Europe catches cold. Whose statement was this? Metternich, the Austrian chancellor ആയിരുന്ന Metternich ആണ് ഇത് പറഞ്ഞിരിക്കുന്നത്. Napoleon was defeated by the European alliance in the Battle of Dash in 1815. Waterloo. Who was the leader of Menshevik? Alexander Kerensky. Who were the leader of Bolsheviks? Lenin and Trotsky. The workers' organization formed in Russia is called Soviets. Name the Legislative Assembly of Russia during the period of Tsars. Duma. Who was the Russian emperor during the period of revolution? Nicholas II. Who was the chairman of the cabinet formed after the Russian Revolution? Lenin. അടുത്ത ചാപ്റ്റർ എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് സോഷ്യൽ സയൻസ് 1 തന്നെയുള്ള ചാപ്റ്റർ 6 ആണ്, സ്ട്രഗിൾ ആൻഡ് ഫ്രീഡം. ഓക്കെ. ദി സ്ട്രഗിൾ ഓഫ് ഇൻഡിഗോ ഫാമേഴ്സ് ഇൻ ചമ്പാരൻ 1917. ഓക്കെ. അഹമ്മദാബാദ് കോട്ടൺ മിൽ സ്ട്രൈക്ക് എന്നായിരുന്നു 1918. പെർസെന്റ് സ്ട്രഗിൾ ഇൻ ഖേദ 1918. Which was the act that passed by the British Parliament in 1919 in the pretext of preventing extremist activities? Rowlatt Act. Jallianwala Bagh Massacre 1919. Name the army chief officer who was responsible for the Jallianwala Bagh Massacre. General Dyer. Okay. If the Battle of Plassey laid the foundation for the British rule, Jallianwala Bagh shook the foundation. Whose statement is it? Gandhiji. Who were the leaders of Khilafat movement? Maulana Muhammad Ali and Maulana Shaukat Ali. What was the incident that caused the withdrawal of the non-cooperation movement by Gandhiji? Chauri Chaura incident. Who was the chairman of the Lahore session of the Indian National Congress held in 1929? Jawaharlal Nehru. Which Congress session declared that the ultimate aim of Indian freedom struggle was to attain complete freedom, Purna Swaraj for the country? Lahore session 1929. Which was the last popular protest organization by the Indian National Congress under the leadership of Gandhiji? The Quit India Movement 1942. Which was the political party organized by Subhash Chandra Bose? Forward Bloc. The International Army INA had a woman wing called the Jhansi Regiment. Who was in charge of this regiment? Captain Lakshmi, a Keralite. Who was the founder of Indian National Army? INA. Okay. Rash Bihari Bose. ഇനി സോഷ്യൽ സയൻസ് ഫസ്റ്റിൽ തന്നെ ചാപ്റ്റർ 7 ഇന്ത്യ ആഫ്റ്റർ ഇൻഡിപെൻഡൻസിലുള്ള 1 മാർക്ക് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ഏതൊക്കെയാണെന്ന് നോക്കാം. The Department of State was formed under the leadership of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel for the formation of the integration of princely states. Who was the Secretary of the Department of States? V.P. Menon. In which year Pondicherry became part of Indian Union? 1954. In which year Goa became part of Indian Union? 1961. Who was the head of Tata Institute of Fundamental Research and Indian Atomic Energy Commission? H.J. Bhabha. Indian National Committee for Space Research in COSPAR 1962ലാണ് നിലവിൽ വന്നത്. An Indian Space Research Organization ISRO in 1969. Which was the first rocket launching station in India? Tumba near Trivandrum. Which was the first satellite launched by India? Aryabhatta 1975. Name the first lunar mission of India. Chandrayaan. Name the space mission of India to Mars. Mangalyaan. Who was the chief architect of the foreign policy of India? Jawaharlal Nehru. In which year the Panchasheel principles are signed by India and China? 1954. Social science ഫസ്റ്റിൽ തന്നെ ചാപ്റ്റർ 3 പബ്ലിക് അഡ്മിനിസ്ട്രേഷൻ. Public administration is concerned with the administration of the government. Whose statement is this? N. Gladden. Candidate to all India service and central service are recruited by Union Public Service Commission or UPSC. The chairman and the members of UPSC are appointed by President of India. Candidates to state service are recruited by Public Service Commission or PSC. The chairman and the members of PSC are appointed by Governor. Candidate to state service are recruited by Public Service Commission or PSC. The chairman and the members of PSC are appointed by Governor. Statement of APJ Abdul Kalam. Sixth question. The effort of Mazdoor Kisan Shakti Sangtan of Rajasthan has led to the legislation of Right to Information Act of 2005. Which is the institution constituted in the national level to prevent corruption at administrative, bureaucratic and political levels? Lokpal. Which is the institution constituted in the state level to prevent corruption at administrative, bureaucratic and political levels? At state level ആണെങ്കിൽ അതിനെ ലോകായുക്ത എന്ന് പറയുന്നു. Which is the institution constituted in the central level to prevent corruption in the central government office? Central Vigilance Commission. Okay. Which is the institution constituted in the state level to prevent corruption in the state government office? State Vigilance Commission. In which year the Central Vigilance Commission is constituted? 1964. ഇനി സോഷ്യൽ സയൻസ് 2ലുള്ള ചാപ്റ്റർ 1 ആണ് സീസൺസ് ആൻഡ് ടൈം. അതിലുള്ള ഇമ്പോർട്ടന്റ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള 1 മാർക്ക് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ആണ് നമ്മൾ നോക്കാൻ പോകുന്നത്. Tilt of the earth axis 23.5 degree. Name of the 0 degree latitude equator. Name of the 23.5 degree north latitude Tropic of Cancer. Name of the 23.5 degrees southern latitude Tropic of Capricorn. In which dates the apparent position of the sun will be over equator, March 21 and September 23. In which date the apparent position of sun will be over Tropic of Cancer, June 21. In which date the apparent position of sun will be over Tropic of Capricorn, December 22nd. The northward apparent movement of the sun from Tropic of Capricorn to Tropic of Cancer is termed as Uttarayanam. The southward apparent movement of the sun from Tropic of Cancer to Tropic of Capricorn is termed as Dakshinayanam. Time that based on the position of the sun is known as local time. Name the longitude that passes almost through the middle of a country's standard meridian. Time that based on the standard meridian of a country is known as standard time. Name of the 0-degree longitude Greenwich line. What is the time difference between Indian Standard Time and Greenwich Time? 5 into half hours. Which longitude is considered as the standard meridian of India? 82 into half degree eastern longitude. Name of the 180-degree longitude International Date Line. Which is the basic line for calculating time? Greenwich line. Which is the basic line for calculating the International Date Line? Then Social Science first chapter 7 and the land of diversities. India, the land of diversities. Which is the highest mountain peak in the world? Mount Everest. Which is the second highest mountain peak in the world? Mount K2 or Godwin Austen. Which is the highest mountain peak in India? Mount K2, Godwin Austen. Which is the second highest mountain peak in India? Kanchenjunga. What name is given to the valleys seen in Sivalik Range? Dunes. Which place of India receives the highest rainfall? Cherrapunji. Which place in the world receives the highest rainfall? Cherrapunji. Dandam Cherrapunji. Which is the largest tea producing state in India? Assam. Which physiographical divisions is known as the granary of India? Northern Great Plains. Which physiographical division is known as the storehouse of minerals? Peninsular Plateau. Which soil is more suitable for cotton cultivation? Black cotton soil. Which content gives color to the red soil? Iron. Which is the largest river in peninsular India or South India? Godavari. Which is the highest waterfall in India? Jog Falls in Karnataka. Which is the capital of Lakshadweep? Kavaratti. Which is the capital of Andaman Nicobar Island? Port Blair. Which is the only one volcano in India? Barren. Which place is considered as the southern tip of India? In Indira Point. Which is the largest desert in India? Dhar. Which is the hottest place in India? Jaisalmer. Social Science 2 chapter 3 ആണ് Human Resource Development in India. The branch of social science that analyzes the population, the change in its size, its structural aspects is called demography. Name the office which is responsible for the census activities in India. Office of the Population Registrar General and Census Commissioner. Okay. Which is the project that ensure integrated development of children up to 6 years? Integrated Child Development Scheme or ICDS. Which is the project that to ensure universal education to all up to higher secondary level? Samagra Shiksha Abhiyan or SSA. Which is the project that to increase the access or to higher education? Rashtriya Utkal Shiksha Abhiyan, RUSA, RUSA. Which is the project that to improve the working skill of the unit? National Skill Development and Monetary Reward Scheme. Okay. Which is the mission that function to make available quality health service to all in rural sector? The National Rural Health Mission or NRHM. Which is the mission that function to make available quality health service to all in urban sector? The National Urban Health Mission or NUHM. ഇത്രയും കാര്യങ്ങളാണ് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഈ ഒരു സോഷ്യൽ സയൻസിന്റെ എന്താണ് ഫോക്കസ് ഏരിയയിൽ നിന്ന് വരുന്ന 1 മാർക്ക് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ, ഇമ്പോർട്ടന്റ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള 1 മാർക്ക് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ഒക്കെ ഞാൻ ഫോക്കസ് ഏരിയ നോക്കിയിട്ട് പ്രിപ്പയർ ചെയ്തതാണ്. അപ്പൊ ഇത് നന്നായിട്ട് പഠിച്ചിട്ട് വേണം നിങ്ങൾ എക്സാംസിന് പോകാൻ. അപ്പൊ എല്ലാ മക്കൾക്കും ഓൾ ദി ബെസ്റ്റ്.